perfect kind of romance for a Sunday morning. Elgar's Serenade for Strings, Christopher Warren Green, and the London Chamber Orchestra. It's 9:33, and I'm Jay Fondon on Classical Radio Boston, 99.5 WCRB. I've got something possibly more romantic than Elgar up next, and that's the lute. Stay tuned. Here's something you might not know. WCRB and our sister station, WGBH, are continually updating our free virtual events for you to attend. There's everything from live musical performances to book clubs and news forums, and they're all coming to you right at home. So stay connected with others in our community. Learn more and check out what's happening this week online at classicalwcrb.org/events.
Music on WCRB is here thanks to you and senior living residences.
It's been very meaningful for me and for senior living residences.
Peter Mullen, managing partner.
We've been very happy to hear from our residents and their families and the healthcare professionals. Thank you